In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag accounts in a Hootsuite post. Tagging the right account in your social post helps your message reach the people who matter and increases your chances of getting noticed. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can do it confidently every time. First, open Hootsuite and head to the Post Composer. This is your workspace for building a post. If you're on the dashboard, look for the option to create a new post, and the composer will open with a text field, media options, and a preview pane. Give it a moment to load all your connected networks so everything's ready to go. Next, choose the social account where you want to publish. You can select one profile or multiple, but keep in mind that tagging works a bit differently across platforms. Handles may vary from network to network, so pick the account or accounts you plan to post to and keep those differences in mind as you write. Now write your caption or post text. Start with a clear message and be concise. Add any context your audience needs and keep the tone consistent with your brand. If you're planning to include media, you can add it now or later, but it often helps to write the copy first so you can focus on the tag. When you're ready to tag, type the @ symbol and begin entering the account name. Avoid pasting links. Hootsuite will surface mention suggestions as you type. Go slowly and use the most distinctive part of the handle or name to narrow the list. Different platforms use slightly different naming conventions, so rely on the official handle whenever possible. From the suggestions that appear, select the correct account. Double check the profile image, the exact spelling of the handle, and any verification badge to make sure you've got the right one. If the suggestion list is long, keep typing to refine the results until the correct profile appears. After you click it, the tag should appear formatted properly in your text. Take a moment to review the tag and your overall post. Look in the preview to confirm the mention is linking as expected and that there are no typos. When everything looks good, choose whether to schedule or publish. If you're scheduling, pick a date and time that aligns with your audience's activity and confirm the time zone. If you're ready to go live, select the option to publish now. That's it. You've successfully tagged an account in Hootsuite, and your post is ready to make the right connection at the right moment.